Today we're going to be trying out the old ArmorAll Ultra Shine headlight restoration wipes. So this doesn't take any kind of mechanical tools like a drill with a scrubby on it or nothing like that. But you do have to tape off the perimeter because this is harmful. If it gets on the paint, it could tear it up. So we'll go ahead and grab the tape real quick, get this taped up, and then I'll pull the packaging out so you can see what the packaging looks like, and then we'll give it a try. I have tried these once before. I wasn't really tickled with the outcome, but I thought it might have been part of my technique at that time, just using it for the first time. So we'll try a little bit different technique this time and see if we can't get a better outcome on it. And like magic, that one side is taped off. Now I'm gonna tape off the other side so that both of them are ready to go. Hold tight. All right, we're back. We'll go ahead and do this unboxing real quick. I'll show you what the kit entails. It's really simple, man. Maybe not simple getting it out of the box, or holding it in your hand for that matter. All right. So you got 3 packages of step 1, which is your cleaning, oxidization, removal, and then you got 2 packages of your step 2, which is just your basic sealant and clear coat, if you will. So we'll use 1 package for each side on the initial cleaning, and then we'll come back with the 3rd package and do a final cleaning on both headlights with the 1 package. And then we'll come back after that's done and do step 2. So basically in the instructions, because I've read these before, they tell you to leave it folded up like this to keep the moisture in the rag itself. Just apply a little bit of pressure. Make sure if you have any raised areas that you hit that really well. And then look at that yellow oxidization coming off of there. So flip it over. Same thing with the other side. These headlights are actually coming really clean compared to the last set that I did. So hopefully we'll get a better results once we do the step 2 on these. You're still getting yellow oxidization, so they tell you to kind of flip it around, get you another clean spot, and basically you want to keep scrubbing until you get minimal yellow oxidization there, in which I think we're almost to that point now. These headlights really came clean. I'm thinking that these are going to turn out really good compared to the last set that I did. So all right, we'll flip this around one more time and find another clean spot. Oh yeah, those are good to go, man. Alright, so we'll go ahead and open up another pack and do the other side. Yeah, I am sweating profusely. We had a good rain last night, so it's pretty humid around here right now. Open up this other pack. Go over to the other side. Oh yeah. Look at that crap, man. That's a lot of oxidization, if you can see that. This one's coming cleaner faster, it looks like. Oh yeah, that looks really, really good. Nice. Find another clean spot. Yeah, these are coming really, really clean. I know that one's probably hazing up while I'm talking and doing this other side, but that'll clean right up, and then we'll wipe it off real quick. I'm amazed at how clean this is coming with just the oxidization cleaner. All right. Pull this up, put it back in its package. You're going to hear a little bit of background noise right now. We're opening shop here and getting things rolling up here at Southeast Auto Recycling. All right, so just real quick, we'll refresh. Let's see, continue to wipe, turning white to a clean selection as needed until no residue is visible on the wipe. Open the second cleaning oxidization wipe pouch and continue wiping back and forth with firm pressure for at least 2 minutes. Let's see, outside, blah, 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 vapors may cause respiratory irritation and nervous system effects such as headaches and dizziness. Avoid breathing the vapors. So, you know, don't twist it in your nose cleaning snot rockets out. Blah, blah, blah. All right. So, we'll take the third wipe, and we're going to do both headlights one more time. Right after I clear my eyebrows out. Wow, look at that. That looks amazing already. Just with the oxidization wipe, the cleaning wipe. Firm pressure. Still getting just a little bit of oxidization, but nowhere near what it was. So we're just going to keep doing this. I think that's good. Flip it over. Yeah, man, there's minimal oxidization on that one. We'll flip it over. We'll do the other side real quick. It does have a little bit of a smell to it. Nothing intoxicating or making you dizzy, at least for me anyways. And I think we're good. These are about as good as they're gonna get. And I think once we put the clear coat wipe on there, man, these are gonna look amazing. All right, man. I think we're ready to do the clear coat. See how these suckers are gonna look. All right. Directions. Ensure that the surface is dry before you apply the sealant for best results. First, wipe the surface with a clean, lint-free towel. Let me go grab a paper towel real quick and we'll do that. Looks pretty good. All right. Next step. Open UV sealant, protection pouch, pull out the wipe, apply to the headlight surface by wiping in one direction, similar to applying the coat of paint. One wipe will coat 2 headlights, but use additional sealant wipe if needed. So they're saying this one wipe will do both of these headlights. So if it looks like crap after doing one wipe, we'll come back with a second wipe. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks pretty good, honestly. That looks really good. Try the other side. Flip over the white. All right. Excellent, man. These look really good. Looks excellent. We're going to go ahead and fold this the other way. We'll do one more wipe on each headlight, and then we'll let that dry, and we'll come back and take a look at it and see if we need to do an additional wipe. Alright, flip it over, one more coat on the other side. We're gonna let that dry real quick, man. We'll come back in about 15 minutes or so and take a look at it and see what we got. All right. Honestly, this is probably the best minimal effort headlight restoration kit that I've used. I've used several where you got to have the drill and you go over it with your 800 grit, then 1500 grit, then 3000 grit, and then do a polish at the end. But for not having to have any kind of electrical equipment to do it, or drill, or having to go over it with multiple steps, this is probably the best way to go, man. These things turned out excellent. I'd say this is probably a big bang for the buck. If you were going to do it, this is the way to go. If your headlights aren't too far distorted. Now, if they've got cracks or canals in them where the clear coat's peeled down and you got different levels of clear coat, using the sanding disc is probably the best way to go. But bang for the buck, I really like this kit, and I think it's a good way to go. What I'll do is I'll come back and do some after pictures, because we're getting ready to wash this car and detail it. So we'll see if the headlights hold up to a detail. But yeah, man, we'll come back and let you know.